So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Bumble without downloading the app. That is, you can use Bumble on your phone browser. Firstly, open up any browser that you have and go to bumble.com here. And what you're going to do is, if you scroll down, you'll not get the sign in option right now. Just tap on three dots at the top right side. Scroll down here. Check this box here, desktop site. Now it will reload the page. Scroll down. You'll get the sign in option here at the bottom. This one here. Tap and sign in. Now it will give you three options to log in, but you can't use phone number to log in with Bumble on phone browser. I know that. So you can choose the Facebook or Apple option. Tap on Facebook for now. Input your Facebook details. Now tap on login. Now in order to continue, you just have to get verified. Tap on get verified. Now I'll just complete the verification process here. I have done the process for verification, so I can just refresh the page now. So guys, you can see I have been successfully verified here. Now you can set out your interest here. So now I can use Bumble here. So that's the way guys, how you can use Bumble without downloading the app. That is on your phone browser. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.